Orbit, what do you want? Orbit. Oh, you're not going to talk now? Really?
He was talking earlier.
You're so talkative now.
Talking of the storm.
What do you have to say? Hmm?
I love when kitties talk.
I know. What's the matter, Mama? I'm not going to hurt you. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Mama.
And when they're talking to the birds,
Oh, yeah.
they're kind of like possessed. You do that really well.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I not doing this well enough? Hey, you want to go sit down?
Made a lot of deposits.
Oh my goodness, guys. Who's around here? Oh, there's the posse. Yeah. Judgmental. Oh, Abby, look. I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
Yes.
Hi, Osaka.
Okay.
Hi, Mama.